Hello, how you doing today again? Welcome to another episode of Ubuntu and Open Source. So this is another segment of Control Panel. So let's start it. This one is going to be about system admin again, but paths. So we're going to edit our paths. What do I mean by paths? Well, as you can see, there's a desktop path, auto start, document, download, music, pictures, public shares, templates, and videos. So these are paths that you can assign or create. Now if we open up my Dolphin, as you can see, I have these up in here. And most of these are application specific. But some applications are not rely on the operating system's paths parameters here. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. So temporary in my favorites, I put kwrite. And if I click open, it goes home, my user directory name, admin Q, and documents. Well, this is what I have set up over here on the right in the TDE control module for paths. So let me change this. So I'm going to put it on Dropbox. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to hit apply. I'm going to hit OK again to close this. I'm going to cancel this out and close my kwrite. Now I'm going to restart it. So my kwrite came up. Now this time when I open it, it says home admin Q Dropbox. That's because I changed my path environment up here. So you can change your paths, default paths for some of your applications that respond to it. Like LibreOffice. Let's start LibreOffice. As we know, LibreOffice has built-in paths, so it goes to documents. And you can set these paths up by the tools, and options. Here we go. And I think it's here. General. Here we go, paths. And so this is how you would change the paths in LibreOffice. My documents. So its paths are defined by the application itself. Over here in kwrite, it's relying on the TDE desktop environment paths. So let's change that back. And let me show you again. Control panel. System admin paths. And so let me change my document path back to documents. OK, apply, and then OK. I'm going to close this out again. kwrite opens up. I hit open, and now it's back to home admin Q documents. Okay, so something I'd like to also cover in paths. And so now we have them here. Let me open up my Dolphin. So there's one of two ways you can create your paths. You can right-click, create a folder here in your Dolphin or Conquer. But also from here, let's say I wanted to create a new video path. Now, you would go to your admin up here. If you use your video here, it's going to add the new path underneath that video. But if you want it underneath your username, Then you would hit new folder. I'm just going to call it video B. I'm going to hit OK. So it created video B, but you still got to select it and go OK. Now, as you can see, my video path is video B. And I've hit apply and OK. And so that's how you would create and add your paths. Or you can make the folder here. Let me call it video C. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to come back to my control panel and paths. And then I'm going to follow the directory tree or folders down to video C and hit OK, apply, and OK again. And so my new video path would be video C. So that's how you would add them or change them as rather. That's how you would change them. So your paths you can actually customize. It doesn't all have to come under the documents as it was when you installed your Q4OS. Thank you.